Muikaririete wa kamiti ya kurana na gukumio EACC Philip Kinusu no reganete na ukhorosho wa kwererio mahitia kwa uria wari minister wa wathani wa matura Anne Waiguru. Kinusu ningi akauga ati uthuthuria iguru ria gukumio iyo ya shiringi milioni 791 ruhonge-ini rwa mbeu njithi NYS watafanagio ni ruhonge rwa CID ruhonge ruria rutakinyirie riboti nginyaniru iguru ria ndeto iyo.
The file found its way to us from a different agency. That file has good information in it. It opens new avenues of investigation which, had we been aware earlier, we would have investigated. And so, call it a new investigation, call it a fresh investigation. What we're going to be doing is taking available information on that file, together with information that has emerged through the affidavits, and I'm sure new information that is going to come forth. We're going to compile our file, I've mentioned the multi-agency team that is working together, but it's our file, drawing on all those sources in order for us to make a conclusion, a determination on what is happening.
EACC yugite ati yehereirie Waiguru mahitia maundu-ini mana maria makuruhanaga na urugamiriri moru wa ruhonge rwa NYS ruria rwari rungu rwa ministry yake.
Why did the investigation of the 4 also expand to ask about the 791? Well, that is a lesson to be learned in terms of the functioning of the multi-agency involvement in the fight against corruption. That action has been implemented by way of creating a forum now where there's transparent sharing of information amongst the different investigation institutions. So if in fact one was to go ahead and say EACC was culpable, EACC was fast-tracking something to cleanse somebody with respect to the 791, that would be inaccurate.
EACC ningi ni yambiririe uthuthuria weru kurumirira kwiyumiria kwa muhuri biashara Josephine Kafura uria wakuruhaniria Waiguru na gukumio yo.
We're working on a different set of cases which, as I said, gave a different indication about the culpability of somebody who was who was in fact involved as in the leadership on the two sides.
Uhoroge urathuthurio ni kamiti yo ya EACC ni gukumio ya Chicken Gate na iria yakuruhaniria kamiti ya ihinda ya githurano IEC ari ogori wa mashine cia githurano kihituku na maabitha atene akajiyo ya igeranio guko bururi-ini neki. EACC eranire kuruta mendekithia mayo kuri mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi Kiria Tobiko kaida-ini ga ciumia 3.
Within the next 2-3 weeks, that the recommendation from this office with respect to what ought to be done about the individuals implicated, that recommendation will be finalized and it will be in the public domain as it goes out to the office of the Director of Public Prosecution.
Ndumiriri ya EACC yukite undu kunini tu thutha wa uhoro kumira ati murugamiriri munene wa kamiti iyo Halake Wako ari kigeraine kia kuhamurithio ni bunge ya gikuruanio na kuithirira uthuthuria uria ukoretwo gitafanio ni kamiti iyo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa ria kuna Macharia wa Gachuru.